Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Android Gateway. In today's video, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline. This will help you to pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read all transcription guideline all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you in audio test. After reading the transcription guideline, you easily pass GoTranscript audio test. So I already transcribe the audio file into text form, and before submitting it, you need to apply all these GoTranscription guideline rule into it. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So Steve, tell me about your relay. Tell me what you were just telling me about your relay.
Oh, about the dual coil high current power relay?
Yes.
The one that's made you so excited?
Yeah.
You know,
Tell me all about it.
well, it's a 24 volt coil, low resistance for the pull-in, and then once the controlling circuit pulls it in, then there is switches over to the other coil, which is a higher resistance, so it doesn't overheat. And they're actually very nice relays. It's a big 3-pole, 3-phase relay that I was using for DC service by taking advantage of little tricks that you can do with relays.
So what were you using it for?
Oh, it was for a solar project.
Oh, tell me all about your solar project, sweetie. Tell me about it from the beginning.
Oh, from the beginning. From the beginning, in the early days, they took silicon out, refined it, baked it in ovens, and then put impurities in it in a certain manner, sliced it, put it into little wafers, put it into arrays under a glass shield, and that's a solar panel.
Uh-huh.
Then I received 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, and actually 8 of them, hooked them together in a manner to generate 24 volts, with a peak power of about 800 watts, and it goes into a panel that controls the inverter, generating power back into the AC line.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
And then a secondary set of solar panels on a separate circuit going into this relay, the high power one that I was mentioning earlier, is used for the batteries, to switch the batteries from the solar panel, actually to switch the inverter from the batteries or the solar panel. So the solar panel during the day charges the battery, and at night the relay connects the batteries to the inverter, which then generates power to the AC line.
Okay. And where did you say you bought this relay that you now can't use because it broke down or something?
Oh, well, I burnt it up accidentally by miswiring it and using it incorrectly. But I had bought it about 30 years ago from an unknown source. Had it in storage all this time, languishing, waiting for the optimal kind of project to come along.
Well, thank you for that exciting tidbit about solar panels and relays.
You're welcome.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, This is the audio test for today. Before submitting it, you must apply all the GoTranscription guideline into it. I transcribe it manually and I apply the rule of GoTranscription guideline. But if any rule is missing, you must apply on it before submitting it. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and one time more I requested you to please read this transcription guideline. This will help you to pass in the audio test. So if you not apply these rules, you will never pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must apply these GoTranscription guideline rule into it. So I hope you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.